We just had the Patio Watcher Hammock Chair delivered to us. We're so excited, we want to unbox it. This is the Macrame style, and set it up and see what it's like. We've got a box with hardware. Oh, this looks so cool. This looks so cool. I can't wait to put that up. Okay, we have everything you could possibly need to install this in your house. We've got a mount for the ceiling, some carabiners, chains, hardware for going into wood, and hardware for mounting it into concrete.
Let's set this up.
Let's set it up and see what it's like. Once you have the hardware up, it's as easy as going like that. It is set up, ready to go. Hey, it's cool looking.
Oh, it's nice. Really like that. Let me get in it. I gotta say, I am loving this chair. This macrame finish, this color. I like that it's like a very neutral color. Grays are always, you know, great to have. And the design of it is so cute. So this is all like a metal bar. These two rings are metal, which is great. Let's hop in and see how it goes. Ooh. Woo! That's awesome! Oh my God, I love this. This is so awesome. It's definitely fun. Out here, like, how much better can this get? Looking at the ocean in your little swing. This is awesome. Signing out, Nikki from Doug and Nikki.